What is up, YouTube? Do you want to finally get some decent traffic to all of your offers? If so, I've got something really interesting to tell you about in my review of Krowd, spelled with a K. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And those who are regulars on the channel know that that's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. My mother's malta bread. Actually, my mother never made malta bread, but it's stale stuff anyway. I'll show you a picture. But seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta say that? Do you get tired of it? He does it all the time. Do you know how irritating that is? Every day, from day in and day out, months and months and months now. He's been saying the same thing. You'd think he will get you tired of it, but no. Same thing every time. Sorry. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. I really do. She's a sweetheart person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Krowd. That's spelled with a K, not with a C. It is a brand new piece of software from Venkata Ramana and Mark Bishop. Now, you can see here, this is a sample of some of his traffic that he's been able to drive using this particular method with the Krowd software. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. And of course, these are his numbers. Obviously, this is a little bit distorted because he's also a well-known marketer. So, it's a little bit, it's not really, completely accurate. He does say it's derived from the free traffic, but it is from Mark Bishop's account, and he is a famous marketer. Now, I'm not saying that you're not going to be able to get to that number, right? But it's not right away. I'd be realistic and say you could easily see several $100s coming from this within the first few weeks, but it's going to take a bit of time. It's not going to come instantly. Okay, now, I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses. Krowd, for those who have not heard of it yet, it just won deal of the day, by the way, on Warrior Plus. Basically, what it does is it lets you drive traffic off of Pinterest. For those who are not familiar, Pinterest is actually a really, really hot platform for buyers. According to everything I've read, Pinterest gets some of the best free buyer traffic that you can possibly get. And it's only $17 for Krowd. It's very, very inexpensive. As I said, I'll show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, though, because I always have the best custom bonuses of anybody in the internet, in the interwebs. Seriously, I do. That's just a fact. I like to please the crowd.
It's a crowd pleaser. Trust me. From the top.
Yeah, Mr. Schuster, I really will be a crowd pleaser. Not like that. Anyway, but seriously. So, first and foremost, what I've got for you is brand new Instagram software, which is designed to let you drive traffic off Instagram, which means that you're basically going to be able to leverage not one, but two different networks. So you'll be able to leverage traffic off of Instagram, and you're going to be able to leverage traffic off of Krowd, off of Pinterest with Krowd. So that's number one. I'm also going to be giving you 5 different courses on how to drive heavy traffic to your website. Plus, I've got a brand new launch coming out, and I just finished recording a really important video, probably the most important video of the entire course. It's a course called Email Success Secrets, and I just finished recording a video where I'm going to teach you what I've been able to do to raise my open rates on email from about 5 to 10%, which is typical in this industry, all the way to like 35, 40%. It's been absolutely, utterly insane what I was able to do. And it's all thanks to this special method. I just finished putting together the video. I'm going to put that particular video into the bonus page for this launch. So once again, just to reiterate, you're going to get Krowd, obviously. You're going to get my Instagram software. You're also going to get 5 different courses on traffic. Plus, I'm going to give you this brand new video that I just created yesterday, which is going to teach you the methods that I have been using in order to really be able to crush it using using email. Now, on top of that, if you pick up any upgrade to Krowd, any upgrade at all, then I'm going to give you my entire Tube Dominator course. Other people pay $500 for this. Not kidding. It was my very first high ticket offer that I created about a year ago, and I'm going to give you access to the whole business, to the entire course. You're going to have access to the thumbnails that I created for it. All that stuff, you're going to get access to it, included when you pick up any upgrades. You're going to get the thumbnails. You're going to get the full recordings that I created, including a video on using DaVinci Resolve, which is what I currently use for editing my videos. So you'll be able to drive traffic off of YouTube as well. So I think it's a pretty good deal, and definitely one of the better, probably the best bonus you're ever going to see for Krowd. Let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick so you can see what it looks like. Let me pause the video real quick while I try to pull up my credentials again. Okay, we're back. Sorry about the long delay. Well, actually, for you, it's not a long delay because you're seeing this instantly. For me, it was a long delay. My credentials were not working. I had to go and create a brand new account. Anyway, here we go. So, welcome to the Krowd. So, here's how this actually works. Let me show you what you do. So, you're going to click Create New Campaign. And let's just call it Test, for example. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to use this inside of Pinterest. So let's put Make Money Online. Okay. You can see that you have, it's automatically going to pull up anything that we can, that matches our keywords. Let's add a few of them over here. Okay. All right. And we're going to click Next. All right, and then basically what we can do is, I haven't even set up my account, my Pinterest account on here yet, but the bottom line is what we can do is we can actually create an image. It'll give you several images to create, to use, to create, and basically you can go and upload images, you can search for images, you can use the inspiration, whatever you want. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to publish these posts on Pinterest. It's automatically going to allow you to maximize your ability to use Pinterest to start driving traffic for your offers. And you can see here in Krowd Traffic that you actually have the ability to download a WordPress theme that you can actually use to drive increasing amounts of traffic into your Pinterest, which in turn is going to drive traffic to your sales offers. Okay, the whole thing is very, very slick, very easy to use, and the whole business costs, as I said, just $17. So really, really interesting stuff. Let's see if I can give it a nice product rating or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. Really loving this software. Great concept. Very well implemented. Works the way it's supposed to work, which is something I can't say for a lot of apps out there these days, but it does the job really, really nicely. Go ahead and grab this. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.